I think you guys are gonna be thoroughly impressed with this one.
All brick.
Love a brick one. We don't do many brick ones. We usually can't afford them.
You guys doing this house?
Yes.
I can't believe y'all in my neighborhood.
This is a beautiful block.
Oh my goodness. So glad to see you guys over here.
So we'll be sure to invite you back.
Yes,
Once
when
it's
it's all done.
beautiful.
I want to see when you guys get done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't do nothing too crazy.
I won't.
Thanks,
See you
guys.
later.
Bye,
Nice meeting
bye.
you. It's always so fun to receive so much love from the neighbors. Honestly, I would be excited if I saw Keith and Evan pull up on my street, so I can imagine the joy the neighbors feel. So this home is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath at 1,500 square feet, and it's listed at $60,000. And I think you'll really like inside because it's in great condition.
It's in good shape.
Okay.
Oh, wow, it's nice.
Right, nice size foyer.
Wow. It's like a brand new house. It's really nice, so I don't see any major cracks. Everything looks really good. The fireplace is really pretty. I love the wood on it. It looks good. I like it. Nice sized dining room.
Right?
Very nice.
Good lighting.
Good molding again. Not a lot to do here so far.
The kitchen's great. I mean, there's like not really much wrong with it. We could just reconfigure it a little bit.
So why is this place still on the market?
So the only reason it's still on the market because it just went live today.
Oh.
So it's brand new to the market.
So it's not gonna last, obviously.
It's not gonna
because
last at this price.
Yeah.
No, this is like a super nice buy for that price. Okay, what's upstairs look like?
Let's check it out.
It's one of the ugliest bathrooms I've ever seen.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna have to agree with you on that.
The bathroom is pretty much gonna have to go down to the studs though.
Okay.
It's just too gross.
This is the main bedroom, which is generously sized.
I don't really like the low ceilings, I'll say that.
But overall, it is a decent size.
It is.
Floors in good condition.
If I was the owner, I probably would have listed this thing for more, but we'll take it.
We'll take it.
Shut up. Jay did awesome. There's definitely a lot of potential with this house. I feel like, hopefully, nobody else is aware of how good of a deal this is.
So we need to move quickly because I gotta go submit an offer.
All right, so, yeah, so I mean,
Just submit it, we'll find some
yeah,
money in our
just-
piggy banks.
put the offer in.
Hi
Shay.
guys,
Shay.
how are you?
What brings you around the shop?
Y'all know I love y'all.
Yes.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it's a nice day. Is that about to change?
Okay, maybe a little. So y'all know that beautiful brick colonial that we saw the other day? It's a multiple offer situation.
I was afraid of that happening. Yeah.
They took time to actually counter our offer,
Okay.
and they countered at $75,000.
75,000?
15 more?
That's crazy. That's really crazy.
That is definitely throwing a wrench in our profit margins.
I ain't doing this for my health.
If we can only get 140 for it, is it even worth it?
Not in my book. No, I'm not doing all that work for like $5,000. This is a pretty good sized house. It definitely is gonna take a lot of our time. It's gonna have to sell for a minimum of 160 or we can't
I feel
do it.
pretty confident we could possibly get more.
Or maybe the reno budget will come in lower and then we can do a 150.
That would be awesome. Uh-oh, that's dipping into Keith Design. Keith Design budget.
Always. We also have to keep in mind that this house has to shine. Like, this is a great block, it's a great neighborhood. We put it on the market for that price, it has to be top notch. 75 makes my toes curl, but I will get over it if we can actually get 160 for it.
Okay, we're going for accepting the counter at $75,000.
All right,
Okay, guys.
Thank you,
I
Shay.
will keep you in touch.
all right.
It is a toasty one today. Thankfully, there isn't a lot of demo to do in this house, just a lot of junk to clean out. This is one of the most expensive homes we've bought so far, so we have to stay on budget. We're actually gonna be able to sell this house for $160,000 and make a profit. This house has to be on point and on trend. It is amazing how much better it looks just getting rid of shredded blinds.
Don't you just love this arch here?
Yeah, I do. It reminds me like an old Morocco or something.
Yeah, Morocco.
That could be a fun theme. We haven't done Morocco yet.
You know what I like about Morocco style? Is that you can just keep everything white and
That's
it's
not
very
Morocco.
and it's very sellable, you know?
Morocco's not all white.
Modern Morocco style is like very white and airy and like, you know, pattern tile and stuff.
No, it's not. It's like bold colors and fabulous patterns.
That's like traditional Morocco. Like
Well, we're
actual
going
Morocco.
back to the old country then, because it's traditional.
We're taking this home to Casablanca. I'm using bold, warm colors of orange and teal, rich textural accents throughout, intricate mosaic tile work and furniture, dark wood beams, and traditional Moroccan accents.
The living room's gonna be like orange, green, and like a
Okay, I don't like Morocco
sandstone.
anymore then.
This house was so expensive, our margins are so tight, we really can't afford a polarizing design here if we want to sell it for $160,000.
Like the see white.
Ew.
Look how elegant that.
You can keep showing me all white houses all day long. I'm still drawn to all those super bright colors. So put your phone away, I'm done. So I really love this tile. And it's kind of guilt-free since it was leftover. We had used it on a floor in a bathroom and we had several boxes left that we couldn't return. It's like the perfect black and white pattern. It's just really, really pretty.
We actually have a lot of tile left at the shop
I know.
that we need to figure out how to use. We have black rectangular tile, white circular marble tile, white hexagon tile, white octagon tile, terracotta tile.
Stop listing tiles. Actually, Morocco is known for its wild tiles, so maybe we'll do like a mix-up pattern backsplash of all of our remnant tile.
It'd be tricky to make it look good.
If it's done in a chic way, this is gonna be a fun house. Not for the faint of heart.
Today, we're adding all the furnishings and artwork that come with the house, those things that really bring that Moroccan theme to life.
This type of style is allowing Keith to go his full maximalist self, so.
I love macrame.
And as always, I've got a couple of last-minute projects that I wanted to pull off before tomorrow's open house. I'm adding a Moroccan design to the new kitchen cabinets.
All right.
And I have a crazy idea for the living room, too.
I don't have a couch for this house, so I'm doing a mattress bed, like very Morocco. I thought I could like sit it on the floor and then layer up cushions, but it's not gonna work. So I thought if you did like I need like that much height.
I never ever like doing a theme halfway, and a regular couch did not feel right for this space.
Wrap this all the way around the bottom of it to hide that. Let's see. That's perfect height. Very nice, huh? I would love to have this in the house, actually.
I didn't know that I needed a mattress in the middle of my living room, but I love it, and it's fun. So I'm hoping that people will see that we try to take you on a journey.
What a useful way to use crates, but not the stupid, trendy way to use crates.
This home is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,500 square feet. The guys paid $75,000 for this place, and we're gonna list it at $160,000. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
How are you? Nice to see you again.
See you.
Hopefully we'll be able to make a nice profit on this, even though we did pay $15,000 more for it than we were expecting.
How do you feel about this house now being renovated on your block?
That's cool. It looks amazing. It's really nice, really nice.
Oh, wow, this is.
Oh, this is beautiful. I really feel like I'm in Morocco.
Look at the fireplace.
I love that
That's
fireplace.
beautiful.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that pattern is amazing.
Ties the room together so well. I would never would have thought to put a soft pink with a mustard yellow, but it works.
No, it's like peach and golden honey.
That's definitely Moroccan, and he's got his little hat on. I mean, that's pretty cool. Look at this. Oh! The backsplash. It's my favorite.
This is beautiful.
Today's open house was off the chain. At least 2 of the people that walked through today are ready to sign on the dotted line.